guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a pumpkin carving challenge. Actually it's not really a challenge, we're just gonna carve pumpkins.
You know how much longer mine's gonna take to get to gut?
Sucks to suck. So I'm gonna try and do Jack Skellington from Nightmare Before Christmas, and he's doing one that he found on his phone.
I've never carved a pumpkin before.
We've got an assortment of carving tools. So let's go. Holy crap, this is already hard.
I think I'm gonna have to stand up.
That's fine.
So let me chop your face off.
Okay.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh shit, I can't get mine out.
Why'd you cut it like a star?
Because I figured it'd be cool.
Simple,
Stop, Jason.
simple but effective.
Oh man, crap. I can't get it off.
Here, where can I put this on? I hate small pumpkins.
Why?
Your dad's trying to kill me.
Can you please
I
stop?
don't feel very safe.
I'm offended.
Do you gut it first or make the faces?
Gut it first.
Dude, don't you have to use your hands and stuff?
Yeah. Look how pretty mine is. It's like a little star.
No one's gonna see the top.
Well, I don't care. I think it's pretty.
I think you're pretty.
Okay.
Hey. You literally got that on my face. Please don't miss and chop your hand.
I'd have to really miss.
Knowing you? Eh.
You're right, honestly. Oh, gross.
Yeah, I don't think it's perfect.
I can't get a good grip too because of the shape of my pumpkin hole. Can you do that? I think I just need to use my hands for the beginning.
You're gonna have to wash this table really well.
Yeah.
Oh, gross.
Pumpkin guts, my
Try
fave.
not to eat all of it. Oh, this is so nasty.
I like it.
It's worse than eye contact.
Feels like brains.
Creep.
I've only gutted a few brains.
When's my turn?
You're next.
Yay!
Did you hear that, guys? Pumpkin seeds!
I'll tell you how this. Mine's gonna be better than yours.
That's such a joke. You know that too. Favorite Halloween movie?
Jason versus Freddy.
Jason versus Freddy?
Actually, what's that one with the three witches? The ladies?
Hocus Pocus?
Yeah.
That's a good one.
I like that.
This bag is matching the aesthetic though.
True.
I have a funny question for you.
What's it? Hit me. What? Why are you laughing?
How...
No.
Okay.
What?
How does Dracula have babies?
Blah, blah, blah.
No.
I don't know.
He does the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. That's
Help
funny.
Do you want me to tell mine? Remember why can't skeletons have babies? Because they have Halloweenies. That's so funny. Literally the third.
I think I'm gonna start carving.
Really?
Yeah,
Let me see your outside.
that's what she said.
Ugh.
Okay. I'm gonna just like barely carve out the eyes.
That doesn't even sound like a look. There we go. That sounds like a wolf.
So like, look how good it already looks. I've got an eyeball out.
You know, like those when you play those games and like scary face comes at you.
Yeah.
You literally have some in your hair.
Do I really?
How do you have that in your hair?
Where? I have a lot of hair. Did you hear that sound you just made?
Eat it.
Ew.
Ew.
It's pumpkin. It's a vegetable.
You're a vegetable.
Honestly, you're pretty right about that. They did the mash. They did the monster mash. They did the mash. It was a graveyard smash.
Crap. Look at that eye. Doesn't it look good?
Looks so good, babe.
I appreciate it.
I'm really impressed.
I missed it.
Look how much pumpkin is in my hair right now. I'm very happy with mine. I'm not gonna lie.
Are you?
I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's lit up. You're putting so much time into this. I'm actually like really happy. Ooh, he's creepy. I like it. I feel like we need to clean the guts out a little bit more.
Yeah.
So I did Jack Skellington, and I think it turned out really good. I'm really happy. I think once we turn the lights off and get the candles in, it's gonna look really good. Your turn.
I did a random design I saw online, and then I just changed
A random design you saw online?
design. This is my first time doing it, so.
I'm pretty proud. I think yours actually looks really good. I'm not even lying. I
I like the teeth I did.
Yeah.
I wish I
It's
did
really
I wish I did
creepy.
it bigger though.
Yours is creepy for sure. All right, so let's turn off the lights and light these candles and show you what they look like with like the real effect of a jack-o'-lantern.
Should we turn them off?
So this one, oh, you can't see my mouth like at all on the camera. This one is mine. I really like it. And this one is Brendan's.
Oh, we can't see my mouth either.
We hope you enjoyed this little pumpkin carving challenge. It wasn't much of a challenge. We just carved pumpkins and videoed it. Anyways, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a like down below and also comment who you think won this pumpkin carving challenge. If you would like to see more from us very soon, please click the subscribe button. We would greatly appreciate it. Follow all of our social media links, which will be in the down bar below, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!